Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I am going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful wraparound palazzo pant. For that, I have taken 2.5 meter rayon fabric. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, fold the fabric by half in length. Then fold it by half in width. So length of my palazzo pant is 39.5 inch, which includes 1 inch for seam allowance. So just mark it. Extend these points. Then cut it. Width of the fabric is 44 inch. So this is the folded side. From the folded side, mark 4 inch. Then from this point, mark 12 inch for the crotch portion, which is your hip size divided by 4 plus 2 inch. Join these points. Draw a slight curve here. So from the bottom, mark 4 inch to draw a slight curve. So place the measuring tape here and mark 4 inch. Then draw a slight curve. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. It's so simple to make, only we need 2 markings. Separate the front and the back portion. So this is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to do stitching in it. Lift only the 2 fabrics and place the fabric like this. Now make a stitch here. Then fold the edges. That is, double fold the edges and make a stitch for both front and the back portion. Firstly, I am stitching the crotch area. Always give double stitch here. So now fold it once and make a stitch. If you are a beginner, it is too difficult to fold it twice and make a stitch at the curved edge. So just fold it once and make a stitch. And also you can give small cuts at the curved area. Then you can fold it and stitch. Fold it one more time and make a stitch. Similarly, finish the back portion as well. I have finished attaching the crotch area and also the edges for both front and the back portion. Now, from this point, from this side, mark 6 inch. Consider this as the center point and mark 1 inch on both the sides. So from here, mark 5 inch and join these points. So just lift the fabric and fold it exactly like this and make a stitch to give a tuck or dot. Similarly, repeat this for the other side as well. So this will give a nice shape for the pant. For that we are doing this. So repeat the same procedure. So do the same for the back portion as well. Fold and make a stitch. Similarly, finish the other side as well. So repeat the same procedure for the back portion. I finished attaching, you can see. So now lift the fabric like this and place it here. I have taken 2 pieces of strip for belt. So length of the belt is 3 inch and width is 75 inch. So fold the belt by half in width. Then mark the center. Then place this under the center of the pant. Then pin it. So repeat the same procedure for the back portion as well. Make a stitch here for both front and the back portion. Similarly, repeat the procedure for the back portion as well. You can see I have finished attaching for both front and back portion. Now fold the belt twice and make a stitch. First fold it once, then one more time. Then make a stitch for both front and the back portion. So at the edges of the belt, this is the wrong side. I am folding it like this and make a stitch here. Similarly, repeat for the other end of the belt. You can see this is the wrong side, and fold the fabric or belt like this and draw a slight curve at the edge and make a stitch here. Trim the excess fabric and make small cuts. Now turn it inside out. Fold the belt fabric inside once like this and make a stitch at the edge. Similarly, finish the back portion as well. So with this, stitching is complete. I have finished attaching the belt for both front and the back portion. Now I'll show you how to wrap this. Firstly, tie the front portion. Then take the back portion like this and wrap it around your hip and tie it. So it's so simple to make. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.